रजत बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं और जब उन्होंने बताया कि वो ये शो कर रहे हैं, आई ऑलवेज फील दैट ही इज़ वेरी वेरी टैलेंटेड, बहुत कमाल के डिज़ाइनर हैं, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज शो एंड thoroughly enjoyed walking down the ramp and wearing such lovely clothes, and just want to wish him all the best for whatever he does. Yeah.
Yeah. Rajat is a new friend for me. And what to tell? He gave a nice dress. I'm wearing it. Made me good. Good. Thank you.
प्रभु सर, देखा गया है कि आप जब चल रहे थे आपका जो डांसिंग स्टाइल है वो भी रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा था आपके वॉक में, तो क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में, और स्टाइल कितना फॉलो करते हैं आप?
No, no, I don't follow style at all normally.
Style follows him.
No, no. Music is on, na? That's why.
देखिए रैम तो हो गया, पर फिल्म जैसा आपने बोला कि है बहुत मज़ेदार है, फ़नी है, हॉरर कॉमेडी है, 7 अक्टूबर को आ रही है तू तक तूतियाँ, और काम करते हुए बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक फिल्म में काम करना आसान है, रैम पे चलना मुश्किल है. जब सब इतने कमाल के मीडिया वाले सामने बैठे होते हैं तो बंदा वैसे ही नर्वस हो जाता है. हम सिर्फ एक कैमरा संभाल सकते हैं, इतने कैमरास को संभालना बड़ा मुश्किल काम है. बट like I said, we always enjoy. आप सब परिवार वाले हैं, we all are family. So had a great fun, yeah.
सोनू, देखा गया है कि टेक का फैशन वीक है और यहाँ पर टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ही ज़्यादा उभर के आ रही है, तो आप कितना टेक्नोलॉजी फॉलो करते हैं और कौन सा चीज़ फॉलो करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी में?
मुझे लग रहा है कि टेक्नोलॉजी हम लोगों को फॉलो कर रही है. हम लोग जितना भी टेक्नोलॉजी से भागे, टेक्नोलॉजी हमें फॉलो करती है. बट लाइक आई सेड, दिस वर्ल्ड इज एक्चुअली रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड फैशन, ऑफ कोर्स. बट व्हेन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड फैशन कम टुगेदर, आई थिंक दैट्स अ टाइम such great shows happen, and I'm really blessed and happy to be a part of this show, which is having technology and fashion hand in hand. Yeah.
So मैंने प्रभु सर को बोला कि why don't you just do some dance step instead of walking. That's what my only thing to him, because I know Sonu is going to do a ramp walk, and Prabhu sir is known for his dancing. So if you expect him to walk, it's not fair actually. You should just want him to perform, isn't it? Right? But that's it. And it's technology and fashion, and it always goes together. Technology and fashion always be working together. Rajat is an amazing designer. I mean, he's doing a lot of tech-inspired collection. So maybe he'll throw some light on that.
Well, first of all, it was an honor for Sonu and Prabhu sir to work for me. I mean, Sonu is a really old and dear association. And Prabhu sir, as he said, we're like a new connect, and hopefully we'll go a long way. Well, I mean, the show, I mean, it has been like a good platform, I think, for designers, especially showcasing. And I think combining it with the whole technology space is actually, because that is the new thing in fashion, which is, it is going to be like very, very technology centric. So we just hope we did like a good job.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, come. So the technology part in this show was the new band that we all are sporting, and Neha is the brand director. There's a fitness band, that we all are actually wearing. So Neha, want to say something about new band?
Yes, of course. Since Prabhudeva and Sonu are so fit, I think this just falls in place.
Sure.
And so is Ramesh also, actually. And Rajat, thank you for the lovely show, and I love your clothes. Thank you. And so New Band is basically, we are all aiming to be always fit, even after having very busy lives every day. And New Band basically is one of the very reasonable bit of fit bands that are there. It's a UK technology, and we are here to, so this is a soft launch, and we are going to come out very big, very soon.
Thank you. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sonu. Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Rajat.